IKEA is about to drop a brand new portable Bluetooth speaker that might just become your next favorite everyday essential. But is it actually worth the hype? The product is called IKEA's Kallsup Bluetooth speaker. It has appeared in early listings and reports ahead of an official release. The information comes from coverage published by NotebookCheck. According to those reports, the Kallsup is positioned as a small, portable speaker designed for everyday listening at home or on the go. Based on available information, the IKEA Kallsup is a compact Bluetooth speaker with a minimalist design. Its appearance follows IKEA's familiar approach to simple and functional home products. The speaker is designed to fit easily into different living spaces. Reports indicate that the Kallsup supports wireless audio playback via Bluetooth. It is expected to work with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Specific Bluetooth version details have not yet been confirmed. The speaker is described as portable, suggesting it includes a built-in rechargeable battery. Battery capacity and playback duration have not been officially detailed. Actual battery life may vary depending on volume levels and usage. According to early coverage, the Kallsup is intended for casual listening. It is not positioned as a high-performance audio product. Instead, it's designed for background music, podcasts, and general everyday audio. Output specifications have not been fully released. Audio performance is likely optimized for small rooms or close-range listening. Placement and surroundings can influence perceived sound quality. Charging details, including port type and charging speed, have not been fully outlined. The speaker is expected to follow modern charging standards. Final specifications may vary depending on the retail version. Pricing has not been officially announced. However, IKEA products in this category are typically aimed at affordable price points. Availability may vary by region once the product launches. From a broader perspective, the Kallsup appears to reflect IKEA's continued focus on accessible tech products that prioritize simplicity over advanced features. In summary, the IKEA Kallsup is shaping up to be a solid, compact companion for your daily audio needs. These early reports give us a great head start, but more details will surely emerge as we get closer to the official launch date. What do you think? Is this the budget speaker you've been looking for? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll keep you updated as soon as more specs drop.